Welcome to our roundup of the best dust masks for woodworking. Essential safety gear designed to help protect your lungs from fine wood dust, airborne particles, and workshop debris during sanding, cutting, drilling, and woodworking projects. Whether you're a hobbyist working in a home garage or a professional handling heavy woodworking tasks daily, a reliable dust mask can make a huge difference in safety, comfort, and overall air protection. Modern woodworking dust masks come with advanced filtration systems, adjustable straps, breathing valves, reusable filters, and ergonomic designs for better long-term usability. Many models also include activated carbon filtration, low-resistance airflow systems, moisture control features, and lightweight construction for improved comfort during extended work sessions. Choosing the right dust mask can improve breathing safety, reduce dust exposure, and create a healthier workshop environment. Let's take a closer look at some of the best dust masks for woodworking available right now. Starting with the Basecamp N+ Dust Mask. This model is a great option for users looking for lightweight respiratory protection, comfortable everyday wear, and dependable filtration performance for regular woodworking activities. It typically features a reusable design combined with multi-layer filtration technology that helps reduce exposure to wood dust, pollen, and other airborne particles generated during workshop tasks. The adjustable nose clip and elastic head straps help provide a secure fit while improving overall comfort during longer sessions. Many versions include breathing valves that improve airflow and reduce heat buildup inside the mask for easier breathing during sanding and cutting work. Its lightweight structure makes it suitable for hobby woodworking, garage projects, and general workshop use. Additionally, it delivers reliable filtration performance and comfortable airflow during everyday operation. Next up is the 3M N95 Respirator 8511 Dust Mask, a versatile and dependable option designed for trusted particulate filtration, comfortable airflow, and reliable workshop safety during woodworking applications. This model typically features NIOSH-approved N95 filtration that helps block fine airborne particles generated during sanding, sawing, and drilling tasks. The cool flow exhalation valve helps reduce heat and moisture buildup inside the mask, improving comfort during extended wear. Its disposable design makes it convenient for quick replacement while maintaining consistent filtration performance. Many woodworkers appreciate its lightweight construction and secure fit for regular workshop use across different environments. Additionally, it provides steady breathing comfort and dependable dust protection during demanding tasks. Moving on to the Basecamp M Pro Dust Mask. This model is known for its upgraded reusable filtration system, ergonomic fit, and dependable protection for more demanding woodworking environments. It typically features multi-layer filtration technology capable of filtering fine wood particles generated during sanding, grinding, and cutting operations. The adjustable strap system and flexible nose bridge help improve sealing performance while maintaining comfort for extended workshop sessions. Many versions include dual breathing valves that help improve airflow circulation and reduce internal heat buildup during continuous use. Its reusable filter design makes it a cost-effective solution for users handling frequent woodworking projects over time. Additionally, it delivers efficient filtration performance and reliable comfort across different workshop conditions. Stepping up in performance, the GVS SPR 457 Ellipse P100 Dust Mask offers a strong balance of advanced filtration capability, compact ergonomic design, and professional-grade respiratory protection for serious woodworking applications. This model typically features P100 level filtration that helps capture extremely fine dust particles generated during routing, sanding, and heavy woodworking operations. The low-profile design improves comfort and visibility, while reducing interference with safety glasses and other workshop gear. Many professionals appreciate its lightweight construction and secure face seal, which help improve long-term wearability during demanding work sessions. Its replaceable filter system improves long-term usability while maintaining strong filtration efficiency. Additionally, it delivers powerful respiratory protection and stable airflow performance during intensive woodworking tasks. Taking the top spot is the Basecamp M+ Dust Mask, a highly advanced and comfortable option designed for maximum airflow efficiency, reusable filtration performance, and long-lasting workshop usability. This model typically features upgraded multi-layer filtration capable of reducing exposure to fine wood dust and airborne particles during sanding, drilling, and cutting tasks. The larger breathing valves improve ventilation and help reduce moisture buildup inside the mask for greater comfort during extended wear. Many versions include adjustable straps and ergonomic facial support that improve fit stability while reducing pressure during long work sessions. Its reusable filter system makes it practical for regular woodworking environments while helping reduce replacement costs over time. The lightweight and durable construction improve comfort without sacrificing filtration performance. Additionally, it delivers reliable respiratory protection and consistent airflow during heavy workshop use. All of these woodworking dust masks serve different needs depending on filtration level, comfort, and workshop usage. The Basecamp N Plus model offers lightweight, everyday protection and comfortable wearability. The 3M 8511 model provides trusted N95 filtration with dependable airflow performance. The Basecamp M Pro model delivers reusable filtration and improved ergonomic support. The GVS SPR 457 Ellipse P100 model offers professional-grade filtration and compact low-profile comfort. And the Basecamp M Plus model stands out as the most balanced and well-rounded option overall. That wraps up our list of the best dust masks for woodworking. From lightweight reusable masks to advanced professional respirators designed for maximum filtration and workshop safety. Whether you're sanding furniture, cutting boards, or handling large woodworking projects, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which dust mask you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more workshop safety gear reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and keep your workshop cleaner and safer with the right dust mask.